Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is one of the suit that my wife got for my son for graduation pictures. So anyway, let's go and then dive into it. I believe it's about 50 to 70% off of the retail price. So let's go and then open this up. Hopefully there's no invoice in there. There's let me tilt it down. Wow, this one is a nice tie. I think she said this one is the most expensive one. I don't think this one's on sale. This is Paris Ellis portfolio. It's pink. Here's the barcode number of the UPC. It's 100% polyester and made in China. And you got the pants, then the jacket. This one's the bar 3, size 30, waist 19L. And it says stretch. By stretch comfort, thermal control, high resistant fabric, plus 40 UV protection. Wow. I didn't know there's a UV protection for the suit. Wrinkle resistant. Active stretch, slim fit. Also come with a hanger. Kind of surprise. And this one's made in Vietnam. It's 55% wool, 41% polyester, 4% elastin. Wow, I got the nice deep pocket on the front, left, and then the right. Wow, pretty deep. And then you got the clip And then the button. Got the YKK zipper. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the belt loop. And on the rear left and right hand pocket, you got the buttons. And still a big pocket, but not too deep. So this is like a navy color. Pretty nice. Going to move on to the jacket. Wow, got the wooden hanger. Nice. Ooh, it looks so professional. I didn't know they give this to you. So this is where you hang your pants too. It says 38S. Made in Vietnam. Wow, look at the interior, it's nice. Inner fabric. Wow, you got so many inner pockets. I like this. Maybe this for a pen pocket. And then you got the regular pocket. So this one's the 36R, so not 38S, the one that shows on the hanger, and made in Vietnam. (100% recycled material). And then you got another pockets on this side, which is so cool. Even got a button. Look at the way it's designed. Wow. Normally you get the left hand pocket only, now on the right hand side. So and you got a pocket right there on the front of the left hand chest. There's like a buttonhole right here, but there's no button on the opposite side, so maybe that's just for look. And then on the front, you got the flat pockets. You're going to cut those open to get the pocket in there. That was a dummy pocket, but it's not. And you got the 2 buttons. Let's see the back. And on the cuff section, you have 4 buttons. Wow. And this one you cannot uncuff this, so. And toward the hem, it is split open right here. You gotta cut this off. Alright? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.